Okay. Somebody threw away a snowblower, and it still looks decent. Look at this. It's a good brand. It's Craftsman. So I picked it up and see if I can fix it. Upon close examination, I can see that it might be needing some cords, but it looks like there is nothing wrong with the cord. So it seems like it's gonna need some nut and screw over here to hold the handle up on both sides. See? So that's easy. I could buy that. And also it's gonna need, it's gonna need a mount to hold the cables. Okay, so I'm gonna order those parts or stop by a local Home Depot or Lowe's and see if I can find those parts. I'm gonna need the mount for the cable and the screw and nut for the handles. Alright. Okay, here comes our parts. That's the one I need. I got this from Home Depot. Okay, so we're going to use that. And this one I had to order the mount for the cable from eBay. Okay, because they don't have it on Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that. So let's open it. See the part. There it is. Okay. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start by putting this on the handlebars. Okay. So just kind of like open that up. All right. Hold this up a little bit where the handle goes. There. Right there. Get one of these. There's bolts here, and there's for short ones and long ones. We need the long one. So this one, I believe, goes in here, just like that. All right, and okay, we got one. Okay. Now we're gonna put coffee fell on my face. This one. Okay. One here on the other side. Okay. I believe that could go. Goes in there like that. Did I even put that right? Yes, I did. Yes. Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's bent. There. So just kind of like tighten that up. Okay, so we got the handles taken care of. All right. So now use this. And Phillips screwdriver. This will it fit now? Not gonna fit. Pliers will do the trick. Hold that. this in here somewhere. Before we do that, we're going to put the cables in where it fits in there somewhere. I believe it's like this. There. Right? Yes, one there. Each kind of tricky. We're trying to figure this out. I'm learning how to do it. It's my first time doing it. I'm just trying to figure out how to fix this thing. Goes inside the groove. And from there, I believe that we have to, hold on, release this first. There, so I can move this down a little bit. Yeah, put that screw in. There. Wait. Okay, hold on. Can you see it? Alright, we put that into one of the grooves there. Like that. It goes in there. Yeah. Now, the other one, we do the same thing. Just fit that in there. And then into the bolt. Just like that. I'll get the screw and tighten it. Hold on. Let me get my screwdriver and my pliers and tighten this up. There. Until it's pretty nice and tight. You don't want to over tight it, you might break it. That's probably what happened before on the previous owners who just threw it out and they didn't want to go and be bothered to fix it. This, you put it back in here somehow. Yes. Oh, it's right here. There. See? Now, we're doing all right, see? That works. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to test it and see if this thing runs. All right? We are about to test it. Okay. Don't make it the front. Come over here. Thanks. Yeah, we got it running.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time.